Describe someone you know who has recently moved to a new place. I recently had a friend named Sarah who moved to a new city for work. She relocated to a bustling metropolis, leaving behind her small hometown. The new place is vibrant and diverse, offering numerous opportunities for personal and professional growth. Sarah moved to the new city because she received a fantastic job offer in her field of expertise. The position allowed her to work on exciting projects and collaborate with top professionals in her industry. Moreover, the city's thriving economy and innovative atmosphere promised a bright future for her career. Her decision to move had a positive impact on me in several ways. Firstly, witnessing her courage and determination to embrace change and explore new opportunities inspired me to consider my own career aspirations. It encouraged me to be open to new experiences and challenges, understanding that growth often lies beyond our comfort zones. Secondly, Sarah's move strengthened our friendship. Though she was far away, we remained connected through frequent calls and messages. She shared her experiences of adapting to the new environment, meeting new people, and discovering the city's unique culture. These conversations broadened my perspectives, and I found myself eager to visit her new city someday. Additionally, Sarah's move taught me the value of resilience and adaptability. She faced the challenges of relocating to an unfamiliar place with grace and positivity. Her determination to build a new life and her willingness to embrace the changes that came her way showed me the importance of staying resilient in the face of life's transitions.
One. Why do some young people keep moving? It could be related to their studies or career, as they pursue educational opportunities or job prospects in different cities or countries. Others might move to experience new cultures, explore different lifestyles, or seek adventure and personal growth. Additionally, some young people may move to be closer to family or friends or to escape from unfavorable living conditions. 2. What's the difference between living alone and living with roommates? Living alone means having a place entirely to oneself, offering privacy and independence. On the other hand, living with roommates involves sharing living spaces and responsibilities with others, which can foster companionship and a sense of community. While living alone provides more autonomy and control over one's space, living with roommates can lead to shared experiences, social interactions, and cost-sharing benefits. 3. Is it beneficial for young people to live by themselves? Sure, it promotes self-reliance and independence, encouraging them to manage household responsibilities and make decisions on their own. It offers opportunities for personal growth and self-discovery as they navigate life's challenges and experiences. However, it's essential to strike a balance between independence and seeking support from family or a support network when needed. 4. Besides cooking, are there any other skills that people need to learn if they live on their own? I think the main skills should be basic financial management, such as budgeting and paying bills, becomes crucial. Home maintenance skills, like fixing minor repairs or doing laundry, are also essential. Additionally, time management, organization, and communication skills are valuable for managing responsibilities and relationships effectively. 5. What kinds of people tend to live by themselves? People who tend to live by themselves can vary widely. Some may prefer solitude and value their independence, while others may have specific career or lifestyle choices that lead them to live alone. Additionally, individuals who prioritize privacy, creative pursuits, or personal growth may also choose to live independently. 6. How can parents and teachers help young people to live independently? They can encourage open communication and provide guidance on practical life skills, financial literacy, and decision-making. Giving them opportunities to take on responsibilities gradually and fostering a sense of self-confidence.